The Who recently sent shockwaves through the music business when rumors circulated that famous drummer Zak Starkey had been sacked from the band. A major fallout after their recent shows allegedly led to his expulsion from the band by original members Pete Townshend and Roger Daltrey. During The Who's run of performances at London's Royal Albert Hall, rumors circulated that Zak Myers' drumming was in jeopardy. At one concert, Roger went on a tirade about the Styxmen's performance and even yelled out, "Brand it shit!" above the sound of the drums. The 81-year-old Roger made the contentious claim that he couldn't sing along with a performance of The Real Me because the sound was so terrible. It was already starting to look like there was some strife in the band, and now Zak's latest social media remarks have added fuel to the fire. While launching into an angry diatribe over the performances and the lead vocalist allegedly accusing him of overplaying, Zak recently referred to Roger as Toger. Zak Starr is the son of Ringo Starr, a legendary member of the Beatles, and fans have speculated that he may return with his comrades for a summer tour, which may have disappointed them. In light of the recent announcement that Zak and The Who would be permanently splitting up, we examine the many indicators of growing discord within the group. Toger Daltrey was the name that band lead vocalist Roger Daltrey was given by Zak in a rambling social media post that went viral over the weekend. The renowned artist, who Zak said was unhappy with his performance at the Royal Albert Hall recently, will undoubtedly have been irritated by the offense. Without holding back, Zak revealed that the group was tense since he was accused of overplaying throughout the performance. With the caption, "The Daily Who Breaking News," Zak posted a throwback photo of himself and Roger from a happier period. Heard today from an inside source whose horses sniff that Toger Daltrey, the main singer and principal songwriter of the group, is bringing official allegations of overplaying, was said alongside it in the complete statement, and is actually going to bring in a reserve from the Burwash Carwash Skiffle and Tickle Glee Club Harmony without Empathy All Stars, the tweet said. Taking aim at Roger and reflecting on their disastrous Royal Albert Hall performance, Zak's article appears to reveal band dissension. After the performance reportedly caused a major schism in the band, he also pointed out that he was in the Royal Albert Hall. A day prior, Zak had tweeted an image of the musician laying face down on a bed in a pair of Y-front underwear in an effort to irritate Roger. "Nice bum bad about the Y-fronts, Roger," he captioned the shot, revealing that it was indeed of Roger. The official Instagram page of The Who and the supergroup Mantra of the Cosmos were both tagged in the photo by Zak. Sean Ryder, Zak, Andy Bell, and Bez are all members of the band. Zak has played in bands such as Oasis and The Who, while Andy Bell has been in bands like Ride and Happy Mondays. Readers' speculation that Zak had been signs that he was fired from the band provided a revealing commentary section. Last year, Zak's bandmate Pete made the unusual admission that he wasn't his dream drummer, even though he had been recording and performing with The Who since 1996. It is no secret that Pete prefers Simon as a session drummer. The two have worked together before, and Pete has nothing but praise for Simon. In addition to working together on Pete's solo albums, they also played drums for The Who's 1989 reunion tour. Along with other notable artists, including Pink Floyd's David Gilmour, Simon was an integral part of Pete Townshend's 1985 ensemble Deep End. Somebody raised an eyebrow when Pete didn't include Zak in his fantasy band during the interview, according to a Reddit post. Pete and Zak have been commenting on each other's IG the past few days, pondered one commenter on a thread concerning Zak's departure from the band. Despite this, Zak recently posted a photo of the two of them with the words, "What a guy," as a comment, implying that his problems weren't with Pete in particular,